Dr. Ketan Bubna. I am a practicing periodontist in Surat. I have been working as an exclusive pediatric dentist from last 10 years. I have my own practice in Surat. So practicing pedo from last so many years, we always had so many doubts about growth modification, the treatment which we should offer to children and we should intercept them. And there were so many cases which we usually see in our practice which required ortho, but we were very hesitant or we were very confused about it, whether we should start the treatment, whether we should wait for the treatment. So there were so many questions being a periodontist. So I came to know about this Dr. Sameer Sir Uppal's Academy, which offered 12 months or a very good comprehensive orthodontic course, and we decided to join it. After we joined the course, we realized how beautiful the course was designed, how exactly Sir taught us from the base to everything, which included aligners and everything, and the concept which got cleared, and we started with so many ortho cases now. And it is not about the clinician's benefit, it is about the benefit which we can offer to the patient. So ultimately, after joining Sir's course, we realized how much more we can offer to the patient, and finally it definitely adds to your remuneration, everything. So I would say everyone, whether the doctor is a periodontist, prosthodontist, anyone who is it, they must do this course, so that you would start visualizing inside the patient's mouth and you would see कि अच्छा ये भी हम कर सकते हैं, ये भी हम कर सकते हैं, हम कितना कुछ कर सकते हैं और हम कितना कुछ ऑफर कर सकते हैं. एंड these days about Invisalign, we can really do so much of growth modification. We have started with so many expansion cases. अभी हम लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि ओके, अभी हम लोग एक्सपेंशन कर रहे हैं, शायद थोड़े दिन वेट कर रहे हैं, स्पेस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, फिर हम लोग ऑर्थो कर रहे हैं. तो ये सब चीज़ें हम लोग पहले नहीं करते थे, नहीं सोचते थे. इट हैज़ चेंज द पर्सपेक्टिव. सो द पर्सपेक्टिव हैज़ चेंज्ड, and once your perspective changes, your practice changes. So this is the biggest benefit, and I must recommend anyone who's interested in doing an ortho course, please join Sir's course. Sir, the course is wonderful, Sir is wonderful. Anytime you want to contact Sir, he's always available. He is actually a fatherly figure to me. So I would recommend, please join the course. It is wonderful.